Onelia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Towel Red, Maroon, Sky Blue, na wigo na Green. Obutambe gwe mabati liga nigo bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer. Mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa bogo tumika chinga gicho wakeranya mabati liga ase nyumba yao. Tutari lero ase Ouru MRM showroom. Onyare kwa bogo kwerera amabati yu akomenya segeka ayo uchanye warrant na wigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asobwango. Eduke nyega ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex niyo muchuligo busongo iyo erangene eduka ya Safaricom. Wigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank. Asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500. Ouru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Getemba Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Mwancho muligari wairire buya litukeliga lya Jumamosi etariki ya omutinyo gatatu omwaka wa 2025 chinga kya manga ndikone ko buchinsamo ao ime na isiko ya gusiyo. Mwancho muligari eke nekionga chinsa ibere asenjera we krenu wose ekionga e weekend chinsa ibere asenjera we krenu cheni ngongoro ko haroni ototo nyaingiri kaba na intugo ikamwale. Mwancho muligari yake ungachi nsabira ni gatoko cha Kurwase County ya Nyamira asomo sasirote monewe parish ya Rangenyo Father Bernard Nyangeri esentunda eiga aniga sokira na kubolya barayibonsi wesokia na kubwatirana kokorera abananchi emirimo kwa monosinga kiechiga abantu bange bagendete gukwana igoro ya mangana mangage siasa azamagendo echbara ayogendete goikiranirwa ime county ya Nyamira nigo monchinia uyoboigo ole omwana siasa Kurwase County ya Nyamira James Kemoni na niga sabire abananchi banyamira korotota amagendero ayo bagenda kokorerwa amo nebo bwatani a serikali usaichi serikali chinzi mnagotumanye mulikito Fatgard Gesemba
okuburia nigo kwabwatukirwe gochiase abarai bakira enkencho kwene kyabuna engoikirania bare buya emeremo eria bachikirwe bakorere abantu nonye nigo ebasegeture ko bamaiso ase emeremo yabo erio gwetanga korwaso kwimurungania okonene korwase omwana inchi kubwatekana n'oburai bwabo obube
abagambi baitunka ibali tiganse meringa no bariga nyekera abagambi baguchaga iga ngitinye gene tibuna noro mugambi omuyikiranu onya abantu babo bakona kuyegia ni beyagiri mpako usabo baliete abantu bamindo tigambakani epointi ya kabere ne libuna twaro obwe no bwamate n'abantu bali bamino nonye kwarangeli ukole moyo nende kwa iruri bagali yokoro kumugambi konya abantu bamenye buya batare buya barare buya na barobe nguna bakorete njoki barasense
ingana ejo yabarai koboriwa bakorere abananchi emeremo emia nigo yairwe okoboko no engineer James Kemoni oyoboigo ore oyomo bwana siasa kurase county ya Nyamira abwasenere amentre na koboria abarai bachorire ritangani koba amo buna enjira yemo yo wikirania amagenderero ase omwana inchi
serikali ya Nyamira ni yito ni tutwanye chorete abarai baito bari bari baigoro na avance ni tutwa bachorete tigato bae omotoereru bakore gas lakini na baro babekobo obomo
Omoske Kemoni omochire boigo oboteneneri bwe serikali ye county ya Nyamira kubwatikana no konyorwa gwakana engeria yabakori emeremo abwo bagokora emeremo ase ebunge ye county ya Nyamira
serikali yetu ya Nyamira igoro mwaro cy'abantu baita bangi basokira ali bago demonstrate bate bambana kwegwe ikego kyabo osomo sharobo nuri ko monto omade yakorere gasi otari ko mwakana ikire kitu tuti okora Nyamira tiga tuanchane kyagara abantu ali bakora ali babwata abana mbogwategesaku bakorenda igo tiga to tatue ine serikali ya Nyamira to ensure our staff and always paid promptly to ensure that we have good services.
Chingaki echecho obasegetire abana inchi na barabwo korotota boikiranu amagenderero yechipara ajo agenderete boikiraniwa ne serikali ye county ya Nyamira ase chiwadi ao buna enjira eyemo yo kwenekya chipara icho inkomenya chire asingaki entambe
ebikara itambia jete Nyamira bigorune taxi yeito biachire nyama yamate eso wodi ya nyamaya ngokora viregas abantu babinto ebikara kitabiri bigoje chuwodi cheito para bikoros mweni shwe ne para tuaro selibu no mochanga ole standard mokore binto bire boronge ninu bodi ya maswali ene right yenu nabake ende nabanyamira
kingo regetembe kurase kinyoro kiga kya mongorisi ekyo kegotoka emeye wodi ya Njefatigadi Gisemba
na umuraibenze Muski William Samoei Ruto nigo abodiria bakenya bonse go chamana kubwatirana elio konyara kaba bagusukia ense mutwe kubamano kubwatikana ase amagendero mutra yuwense nigaliko kubana yuo chinsamo cha Baringo chingage aikere na sobo yega boko mwenia omostana tabwe county ya Baringo Muski William Cheptumo.
We need to be patriotic about Kenya. That yes, we can disagree on policies, programs, on how to implement, but we should never disagree about the destiny of Kenya. That this is our country, all of us. And it doesn't matter who you are, it doesn't matter what you believe in. We share a country, we share a destiny. And if Kenya succeeds, we all succeed. Mwisho kabisa, nauliza watu wa Baringo, huyu ndugu wetu Cheptumo alienda hospitali na mnajua ya kwamba kama hakuna mpango na taratibu ya sawasawa kwa hospitali, mambo yanaweza kwenda mrama. Na ndio sababu tumesema tuwe na mfumo wa afya ambayo itasaidia wananchi wote bila ya kujali uwezo wao wa kifedha. How we can have universal health coverage that takes care of all Kenyans. I want to ask you that we work together towards making sure that we can take care of our health requirements and we can take care of ourselves. Again, thank you very much to all of you, to the family. Tunawatakia heri, tunawatakia baraka ya Mungu. And as was said by the speaker, whatever it is that will be required of us, Mama Hannah and your children, count on us as friends of Cheptumo and friends of your family. Asanteni sana watu wa Baringo na Mungu. Thank you very much.
na mwanju murigereri omosenta Cheptumo nigabega gotogirwa muno omurai oyo nyatakabaga korera abamenyi bechinzeme cia baringo emirimo emiya chingagia ringo mojumbe bwechinzeme cio na boigo gocha gukurira koba omoseneta na ko muno igatia bali wekira na somo yogoye no omoseneta we county ya Narok musikirudamo Orekina uyo nyatakabaga kwana amange ase omoyogoyo.
Today is a very sad day, but when I sit here remembering that I've lost a colleague, someone who I got to know, and somebody who is very sober. Leo hii nilipewa nguvu na familia. Nilipoona the widow and the family standing firm, celebrating the life, ile maisha ambaye Mungu amewapatia waweze kukaa na the head of the family, ni kitu ambaye imenipa ngumu. Imenipa nguvu mingi kwa sababu kweli duniani siku zetu ni chache sana. Na wakati nimeketi hapa ndio nimeona hii masiku ni chache kabisa. Your Excellency, leo tuko hapa, kesho tumeenda. Kitu ile ambaye ni muhimu ni hao watu ambaye wako hapa ili tuweze kuwafanyia kazi. Wakati ile Mungu atatuita wawe watu ambaye watatukumbuka. Tangu juzi nimesikiza vizuri na nikakuja kuelewa position ile ambaye the late Cheptumo alikuwa naye katika Baringo. Mimi najua Baringo County poverty is above the national average. It's almost 47%. Na najua ile shida ambaye iko hapa ni kila siku mgonjwa amegonjeka, Cheptumo anapigiwa simu. Kila siku mtoto hajaenda shule, Cheptumo anapigiwa simu. Na wajua kwamba hata senators wapatiwe hii basari, lakini anaingia kwa mfuko, anatoa, anawasaidia. Mimi hata ningeomba wenzetu National Assembly na Senate tuharakishe hii maneno ya IEBC, at least kuwe na by election hapa ndio hiyo void isionekane. Ni kitu ambaye ni muhimu sana. Hii kazi ambayo Mungu ametupatia ni kazi yetu ya muda mfupi sana. Na ndio tumesema kuendelea mbele, sisi lazima pia tukue fully emancipated from poverty. Juzi tulikuwa Kilifi, the poverty in Kilifi is above the national average. Kilifi is about 71%. Ukiangalia national government, yani the whole country is about 36%. Sasa unajua Your Excellency, hauna watoto wa nje na wa ndani. Na ndio unaona sasa sisi tumesema we have to be focused to Kenya.
Murigeria chinga kibirengere biganda kuruegwa kubwa mono igoro yo kurigeria omorai bwe kiama gya ODM musikerera Moro Odinga ali bagasa serikali nigo museneta bwe county ya Siaya omusike James Orengo nyakabaga kuruko bolivu na ekatiba tenyarka baga korerwa amonchirio kurende niganyaka baga kumbuli murai bwense musike William Ruto kwene kibna gokorere abakenya bonsi embiremo kurwa chinsemo chionsi imeyensi ya Kenya.
We are very proud to be opening the ring road in Akala. We want the status of Akala to rise, to be upgraded, so Akala can also become a town with a board that is going to run the town of Akala. Secondly, yesterday we were very lucky to receive our party leader, Raila Amolo Odinga, and he has started on consultations with the people of Kenya. He was in Kisumu the other day. Yesterday, he was in Siaya. Tomorrow, he is going to be in Busia. And today, I think he's in Bungoma. And what we have said, and he has agreed, that we must have a structured relationship. And we don't want to be in Kenya as if we are trespassers or visitors in Kenya. We belong to this land. Kenya is our land. Any president must serve the people of Kenya, despite of where they come from. And that is why we have this new constitution. We don't want the constitution to be deconstructed. The Constitution must remain with the vision and the spirit of the founders of Kenya and who came with the Constitution of 2010. Hii serikali ya Kenya inaongozwa na katiba, na wenye katiba ambao walipigia katiba kura ni wananchi wa Kenya. Sasa ukipata mtu ambaye ni mzaliwa wa Akala, usimulize kitambulisho ovyo ovyo.
Mwancho murigetu tigarete igoro ngwana iyo ya Raila Amolo Odinga nere nigagendete kuligia ebirengereri gose gusanga ebirenge na Bakenya magayo kotabuna nigo arachukurwa oroboti bwangoiga rokwane kibitambukiro birira abasochi kunyara kobaga koimukia buna omwana siasa kuba muno inse igoro yoburai bwekia mu ODM nabo igo okubwatirana kwaye amo gose kubwatirana asegatiaye amo no murai wense omoske William Samoei Ruto.
I'm moving around the country to consult our people after what happened in Addis Ababa. I am thanking them for standing with me during the period of the campaign, for giving me both moral and spiritual support in that enterprise. And I'm also using it to explain to them the problems that we are facing as Africans in this continent, and also the causes of those problems and the possible solutions to those problems. Not going forward in our country, as you know that we are today at a crossroads. I've listened very carefully to views that have been expressed by those who are here. And I can say that these people have given me a carte blanche. That is a blank check. I can write an amount on it. They have said that they have faith in what we are going to do and that they will support what we want to do because they know that it's going to be in the interest of our people. They are not going to betray our people in whatever we do. What we do must be something that is done in the best interest of the people of Kenya. Kenya first.
Liyo kubolia niko kugenda kurwegwa gochia ase abantu ao amona bobatan ao kwene kiabuna aserikali no bantu bonsingur baliriba gochia se bali bamete no balema kwa muno ase oborai aniganya kabaga ukwanwa amo na ani nderitu na boigo omoga gose omo county commissioner abwe county ya Trans Nzoia omoske Onjagi Nyandricha.
Lakini kuna jamii moja inaitwa disability zimekuwa zikibaguliwa na political parties. Here as we speak Trans Nzoia County hatuna disability representative in the assembly. Tulipopiga nduru mwisho napata hizo viti zinauzwa. Unaambia leta milioni 2 ya pata leader, leta sijui ngapi ya nani ndio uweze kupata nomination. Kwa hivyo inakuwa shida.
But unfortunately, currently as we speak, we have 21 counties that do not have persons with disability. Trans Nzoia being one of them. I think it is the high time we do a reform, a legal reform, to make it mandatory that every county should at least have one person with disability who is representing the needs of persons with disability.
But I'm requesting that as you do your political business, can we entrench, can we mainstream adherence to the rule of law? We are now starting to see political temperatures going up. And as security apparatus, we're asking ourselves, how do we best prepare to manage the situation? And we are managing people we are sitting here with, but whom when they retire to their own comfort zones, they're likely to burn out their own things.
Yentheli ya Ukraine amonense ya Russia kobwa kurwa omwaka wa 2022 chinga kenzi ya Russia kusaba abarwanisi gibensi ya Russia batambukete na gosoa imensi ya Ukraine ritukule goro omurai bwensi ya America omoske Donald Trump ne wamurinte amo no murai bwensi ya Ukraine omoske Volodymyr Zelensky bokwana ana kurubirengerari igoro yogo keania na kubutura chisegi gose gukora chisegi chigenderete imensi ya Ukraine kurende asichingwana cyaba chagerenete nabo igoba kanyaragaba kwirenerania amangana amakongo swa kurerana amangana amakongo okungusana kwirirete chingwana chionsi chokoreta murembe yansi ya Ukraine chigatena aseke kakubwatakana amo nago chikakwaye umuraibu ya America omuske Donald Trump enegati chingwana chijanya kwa chikane kwa egati yabarai abo babere.
During a lot of years, I'm not speaking about just Biden, but those time was Obama, then President Obama, then President Trump, then President Biden, now the President Trump, and God bless, now President Trump will stop him. But during 2014, nobody stopped him. He just occupied and took. He killed people. You know what the contact
2015.
2014.
2014 and
2014. Yeah. So
I was not here.
Yeah, but
that's exactly right.
Yes, but during 2014 till 2022, yeah, the situation the same. The people are been dying on the contact line. Nobody stopped him. You know that we had conversations with him, a lot of conversation, my bilateral conversation, and we signed with him. Me, like a new president. In 2019, I signed with him the deal. I signed with him, Macron and Merkel, we signed ceasefire. Ceasefire. All of them told me that he will never go. We signed him with gas contract. Gas contract. Yes, but after that, he broken this ceasefire. He killed our people and he didn't exchange prisoners. We signed the exchange of prisoners, but he didn't do it. What kind of diplomacy, JD, you are speaking about? What do you mean?
I'm talking about the kind of diplomacy that's going to end the destruction of your country.
Yes, but if you
Mr. President, with respect, I think it's disrespectful for you to come into the Oval Office and try to litigate this in front of the American media. Right now, you guys are going around and forcing conscripts to the front lines because you have manpower problems. You should be thanking the President for trying to bring an end to this conflict.
Have you ever been to Ukraine that you say what problems we have?
I have been to.
Count one.
I've actually watched and seen the stories, and I know what happens is you bring them on a propaganda tour, Mr. President. Do you disagree that you've had problems bringing people into your military? And do you think that it's respectful to come to the Oval Office of the United States of America and attack the administration that is trying to prevent the destruction of your country?
A lot of questions. Let's start from the beginning.
Sure.
First of all, during the war, everybody has problems, even you, but you have nice ocean and don't feel now, but you will feel it in the future. God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless. God bless. You will not have war.
Don't tell us what we're going to feel. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
I'm not telling you.
Because you're in no position to dictate that. Remember this. You're in no position to dictate what we're going to feel. We're going to feel very good.
You will feel influence.
We're going to feel very good and very strong.
You will feel influence.
You're right now not in a very good position. You've allowed yourself to be in a very bad position, and he happens to be right about it.
From the very beginning of the war.
You're not in a good position. You don't have the cards right now. With us, you start having cards. Right now, you don't. You're playing cards. You're playing cards. You're gambling with the lives of millions of people. You're gambling with World War III. You're gambling with World War III. And what you're doing is very disrespectful to the country, this country. That's back to you. Far more than a lot of people said they should have.
Have you said thank you once? This entire meeting? No, in this entire meeting, have you said thank you? You went to Pennsylvania and campaigned for the opposition in October. Offer some words of appreciation for the United States of America and the president who's trying to save your country.
Please, you think that if you will speak very loudly about the war, you can...
He's not speaking loudly. He's not speaking loudly. Your country's in big trouble.
Can I answer?
Wait a minute. No. You've done a lot of talking. Your country is in big trouble.
I know.
You're not winning. You're not winning this. You have a damn good chance of coming out okay because of us.
Mr. President, we are staying in our country, staying strong from the very beginning of the war. We've been alone, and we are thankful. I said thanks
you haven't
in
been
this
alone.
cabinet,
you
and
haven't
not
been
only
alone.
in this cabinet.
Mwanju murigereria hayo na aroto kwareganiria ase kionga chinsebere weekend ya lero litugerigeria Jumamosi na abo korende nigo ngogotiga nyuma ntarasoka ngogotiga ase umururu wo muburera okoretwa nere Lucas Mugaka lakini rende ngogotiga pi nigo ngogotiga ne kabunge kamo kia Amos 33 kabunge Kenya kabage gosomwa ase gikaro kia mateane litugeria lero Kenya kabage kongo katanga babere mbago tara Mumbai wanaine na igo babere mbago kara mere mama Mumbai wanaine na babere mbago kara Kendi Jonzi bataigwa naine kolege nesege tugochia sole ya master ya mongo gotiga no murobeli bo muburera njeni ngoro kwaro ni toto nyagiri tomirane ekionga chinsa inye ase amange.
Yes, usipone ni cheso kirikuri metanaime. Hey, echigo tamburuka tata rende meburera nyonga basuhire gaiga asime burera yabunga kyuroche.
This is a wonderful idea. The branding is good. I hope the message will get to the people.
Rasma kuna butambe. Moskiruto. Nyugote nga chama nira chakero koro sukuru muina.
Chama. Ile chama wanajaribu kutengeneza wanaongea masaa manne. William Ruto.
Ikati chama ene yaki.
Hii mzee tinga atamugonga.
Igona mwana moskiri kati akoteba.
Yes. Mimi nataka niwaulize hawa. Please. Bei ya ukabila imeshuka sana. So msijaribu kuuza ukabila, bei ya ukabila iko chini.
Patia yeye mwaka hii ya 2025. 2026 hakuna mtu atasikiza uongo yake Kenya.
Wiko umoske ayuna maina moskiri ka Kenya reka ukwana.
But it is because you are the lord of poverty. Tunataka tusikizane rates ya kusikiza uongo. Si tusikizane rates ya kusikiza uongo. Kwa sababu hii uongo ni mingi sana. Mnadanganywa barabara itajengwa na ni uongo tu.
Ruto, ikubono musika magendero na kenderete.
Tunahitaji vijana 1000 hapa. Wale ambao ni electricians, plumbers,